Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. Well, first, let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and got the CDLs. I'm so excited. I have like 22 emails, and you could say it's like 22 drivers. That's a blessing. It's awesome. I mean, it's a really good feeling to have all these people following you and following your instructions. I mean, if my content wasn't that good, why do I have so many subscribers? You know what I mean? And like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. You know, this is a blessing for me to help a lot of people. You know, right now it's training day for me. I have a new driver on the truck, and I just want to say that we're Swift, and right now we're hiring. Like I said, we're hiring, and we're doing intermodal containers. That's what we're doing. I know that I did a couple of videos already on these containers right now, and we're getting a live load, and basically what I'm doing now is they just filling me up, and then what I like to do is I like to put my landing gears down, and so it won't mess up my airbags, you know, because you don't want all that weight, the forklift weight, to get, you know, to get on your airbags and then mess up your airbags. But yet I'm happy for you. I'm happy for all the ones that, there's so many names out there that I can't remember, but you know who you are. And I just want to say that Intermodal for Swift is hiring across the nation here in the US. And just want to say this is training day. I got my man Bruce right there. Bruce, say hello to the people.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes, and then one more time, I just want to show you what it looks like when you over the road. And it's not really over the road. It's like a regional. It's like regional, home daily, home on the weekends. And I just want to show you a little bit of what it looks like when you be hauling. See, right now, I just sent a request for that. So this is basically what it is, you know. And then you can see it there. And that's after Uncle Sam ripped you all off. You know, those are pretty decent numbers there. And these are all the trips for the week. So again, this is like Monday through Friday. Can't beat that, you know. And that's a blessing. And then and the more loads you do, the better it is for you. And it's a blessing. And again, it's training day for me, and I'm just showing Bruce how to do it and how we do. So the more loads you do, the better it's gonna benefit you. So it's like basically, you know, you take care of taxes, and then the rest will be yours. And roughly every week you won't see that amount, but just keep the loads coming, and we're getting busy. And it's a blessing, and I'm happy for you too. There's a lot of people that join Swift. There's a lot of people that join Sierra England, and it goes everywhere. You know, it goes everywhere. So right now, I'm just waiting for them to finish unloading me, so we can continue on to do what we have to do. And that's basically what's it. So again, I'm gonna have some information on the bottom. I'm gonna have the recruiter number, and then all you have to do is just tell them that Joey Jones recommended you when you call, and then that's it. You know, Joey Jones recommended you, and that's basically what you're gonna be doing. You know, but home daily, driving a day cab. It's raining, and it was raining yesterday. My day cab, I gotta get it to wash. It's all dirty and stuff. But yeah, you get to take your day cab home. You get to take it home, and it's trust me, it's a blessing. And I always said it on all my videos, God is good, and I'm happy for you. So congratulations to all the ones that's got the CDL and already driving. That's awesome. So I'm doing good, man. Don't forget to fly safe, drive safe, be safe. God bless y'all. Love ya. See ya.